Good day, everyone. Welcome to Nizaluchi. Welcome to another political chat. So, Brown Mokhoti is on the run. His businesses has been raided at his wedding business property in Mahikeng, Northwest. This happened on Tuesday.
General Molawa right now to say General Molawa.
This is what is happening. Police are up and down now.
Ow.
Yeah. Relax.
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can listen, my brother. Community calls me part of this. Maybe you don't know, I'm a social activist. They call me. Whether it's a robbery, whether it's what, they call me for what is happening. But yeah, so Mabatu police station will be here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying right now. The people must relax. It's police who are on.
And the police that were there raided his home, raided his businesses, and the man was just no show. The man was not around. So he's busy hiding somewhere, and the journalists have searched for him and found Mr. Mokhoti. And he's been making these interviews, right? And it was so very interesting because it says that there are people who are just behind him. There are people who just want to see him going down, and say that the Madlanga Commission is not far so that he will come and testify and just deliver everything on top of the table. And he said that he has asked for extension, by the way, to the Madlanga Commission, of that they must give him a week or 2 weeks ahead before he will come and appear there before them. But it seems like the police now are busy doing their job and they're hunting the man down. It is reported that they want to seize some of his cell phones. There are some things that they need from him.
And you are saying that tomorrow, when you decide to meet them, because as they've told you, they are now coming towards where you are in Johannesburg. If they do get to where you are, would you want us to also be part of that, just so you are sure that it is police officers that are coming to you?
Yes, I'll be very much grateful. I'll share with the details. However, that I believe should only be done tomorrow. Why should it be done at 10 o'clock? Because they're coming to search me.
But it does appear that they are insisting that they want to meet you today.
No, they won't find me. Like I'm confirming to you, I send them the location from the hotel where I'm staying. I'll perhaps find something, just for tonight, such that tomorrow we are able to meet in Sandton police station, because that's my nearest police station.
But Brown Mokhoti does not trust any of these. Hey, Moisenendlozi said something very interesting, and it made me to think, to say that, does it mean that when you are called to appear before the commission, the investigations that the police are making must stop? Moisenendlozi is saying, he poses another question and says that, do the police need to stop with their investigations, with their work? Does the going to the Madlanga Commission or going to the Ad Hoc Commission of Parliament stop the operations? A criminal is a criminal. If there's evidence, the criminal must go to the Madlanga Commission, and he must go inside there under the chains, with the chains, right, on his legs and in his hands, showing that he's the hardcore criminal. That is what Moisenendlozi, the message that he sent to the public and to Brown Mokhoti.
Brown Mokhoti crying foul on the question of raids. Also the timing of these raids, just when a person is about to appear in some inquiry, police start to raid, raising suspicions maybe of intimidation. But some people would argue as well that police operations can't stop simply because there are inquiries. Ditsotsi tlamehile di tshwarwe. Tsotsi ke tsotsi. Tsotsi ke tsotsi. If there is evidence ya hore tsotsi e utswitse kapo e entse bokwita, tsotsi ha e kwa Madlanga, o tla ga di chaini kwa Madlanga, o tla ya tshwere ka di chaini. Tsotsi ke tsotsi. Tsotsi must be removed from society ka hore tla re fetsa kaofela. Sekebekwa. Ma a ona re maponesa tlo ema mona motho a utswa Afrikanya society. Tsotsi ke tsotsi.
As much as Brown is called a criminal, he is so forward in terms of protecting Vusumuzi Ket Matlala to say that even the man, when he is inside prison, but he was not found guilty yet. So he's not guilty. So you can't now, he was just urging the journalist saying that you can't conclude to say that Vusumuzi Ket Matlala is guilty because he is not convicted. So the same argument that he's posing on top of now himself saying that he is a criminal, he's saying that he is not charged of anything. Even the police that raided his house, they were not there to arrest him, but to just take his phone because there's some information that is there that is believed that they need, right? And he did cry foul of saying that, but why would you take my gadgets? Because the information that I want to present there at the commission is just right in these phones. So what is happening in this story? Brown Mokhotsi is on the run. He says that he is fearing for his life. If this is a search or a seizure, why don't they bring so many people, so many police with guns and from KZN?
Your intention of sending the letter to Ket Matlala or telling him that the political killings task team was disbanded, what was the intention behind that?
So that they can be free now. So that they can say, oh, I want to die, I want to stop lap. So that he can be free because they went to his house. Remember, I'm going to the commission. A lot is coming. Mona ntate Xoli kukhala madoda uzonibona xa sendifikile phaya. Hola banna. Let me tell you, I will explain like bit by bit. Why was it important for me to inform Ket? In one of the radio stations, I said, if Ket was able to fund the ANC January 8th with 100,000, whatever, don't you think he has told me who else has he given money to? Who else? Because now they're making Brown Mokhotsi and they're talking about this 138,000 for the January 8th.
Yeah.
A lot is coming. Yes,
Right.
a lot is coming. We're going to give you an extension. I've requested the extension, at least it's been granted. It means in a week or two, I'll be in Matlanga.
A lot is coming, he said. Kuzokhala amadoda. Yo, men were crying. And he said that he will explain everything when he gets there. And he will explain why it was important for him to give to Vusumuzi Ket Matlala the PKTT letters of disbandment, which that letter was written by Senzo Mchunu, as he confirmed that it ended up in the hands of Brown Mokhotsi, making its way to Vusumuzi Ket Matlala. So now, one thing that I want you to understand is that these three are business associates. And these three now, they have captured the RSA police. They have captured because now the secrets which are happening behind closed doors, before they come now to the relevant leaders of the police, they will just start by just reaching the hands of Brown Mokhotsi and going to the hands of Vusumuzi Ket Matlala before they will even be announced to the public. So now these three are the foremen that have captured the police force. So very interestingly, so that Ket Matlala funded the ANC with 100,000 sure at their January 8th celebration. Ket Matlala, in fact, it was not 100,000. I recall that Brown Mokhotsi says that it was more than 130K, 130,000 that it was given to the ANC. The ANC now is linked so deep when it comes to this. Says that the January 8th celebration that was done at the Mandela Park Stadium in Khayelitsha, Cape Town, it was also revealed that after that celebration, there was an ANC presidential gala dinner. It was revealed there at the Matlala Commission that was organized by Brown Mokhotsi and Vusumuzi Ket Matlala, whereby they were even organizing some potential investors for the ANC. So they not only captured the police force, but they also captured the African National Congress. They organized events. Who knows, even that January 8th statement celebration party was organized by them. Who knows? Because Mokhotsi says that he will explain it bit by bit. He will give all the details of what was happening, why he had informed Kate Matlala, why it was important. He said that he will just reveal that information. He will also reveal that he must also explain how did he get hold of the letters that was written alone by Minister Senzo Mchunu. How did that letter end up in his hand going to the likes of Vusumuzi Kate Matlala? He will need also to explain that. He says that no, he's coming, why not? The man is coming there to expose everything. If Kate funded the ANC, listen to this, with more than 100,000, don't you think that he revealed all the people that he has been giving money to? He asked who else and said that a lot is coming. He is preparing for the Matlala Commission, not the police coming to his house. He doesn't want to be to get raided and to be investigated or even to be arrested. He just preparing this time period. Brown Mokhotsi is preparing to appear before the commission and to spill all the beans. And let me tell you something. Most people that are in trouble, let me just put it that way, are in trouble is number one, Minister Senzo Mchunu. Number two, President Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa is also a link, because the same Brown Mokhotsi, his name appears on the CR17 funders, those who were endorsing President Cyril Ramaphosa to become the president in 2018. That's why the man says that no, Vusumuzi Kate Matlala has revealed other names that have been benefiting from him, and he will spill the beans. This man needs to be protected. The South African subs, the police, they will need to give just a special task team to protect this man until he appears before that Matlala Commission, because the man's life is in danger. The man is about to tell it all. The man is harassed, the man is tired, and the man says that I have some serious files that I just want to drop there at the Matlala Commission or the Hado Committee of Parliament. So this man is in the center of what Lieutenant General Tlhatlhambi Kgomarazi has revealed. Brown Mokhotsi, this man is not a minister, is not a politician, is not... even the ANC denies him to say that he is not their member. This man is not even having one just little nyana post there in the police force. But this man is in the center of everything, because he links private sector business, the ANC and the police in between. Brown Mokhotsi is the key. He is the most important fundamental witness that we will see appearing before the Matlala Commission. That is Brown Mokhotsi. That is why Mbuzeni Ndlozi now poses a question and comes and says that no, this man is a criminal. If there is evidence of some sort, he needs to be wearing some orange overalls, making his way there to the Matlala Commission. He said that, sure, the money is given to the ANC. Yeah, I think the ANC here will not be happy, because it will be exposed. Brown Mokhotsi, remember that he started already with Fikile Mbalula. He spoke about the urge to say that he, Mbalula, was he wrong when he was dealing with some people who have given him the urge to travel there to Robben Island. That is Brown Mokhotsi to you, the man who's fearless, who can just rap a stem, and expose everything. He has promised to say that he's tired. He will come there and tell the nation of who is benefiting from Kate Matlala, what is happening. He says that he will spill the beans bit by bit, slowly but surely. And the truth, we South Africans, we shall know from Brown Mokhotsi, and it shall set us free. Hey, Brown Mokhotsi, yeah. The man fears for his life, because he sees that there are some people, this person claimed that the police that raided his house or his businesses, They can kill you, those police, and say that you've drawn out the gun and pointed at them. Then they are retaliated and shoot you down, right? So he says that he's scared of these police. That is why even the journalists, they confirm to say that, no, why not? If you tell us where you are, when these police come, they will find us there, you'll be protected. He says, no, I don't trust either of you that will give me this protection, because I know these police that, these police, right? So he says that I don't trust anything coming from these police, and I am not safe. So this man needs to be protected. Not because he's innocent or not because he's guilty, but because he says that he will expose some serious key players in all of these. Some serious key players will be exposed, including the ANC, those who have benefited from the ruling party. These have turned to be something else. This has turned to be something else. And the ANC, I never thought that the ANC will be put in this position. And the ANC is about to be exposed. So is Minister Sezon Kuno. So is Vusumuzi Ket Matala. So is Brown Mokhoti himself. He will expose, as he's exposing these ones, he will also expose his own position of what role did he play in all of this drama. I can't wait. What is your take on this? What is your comment? You can leave it on the section below, and let us hear what is your view. And please don't forget that you can do this one favor for me. Remember, don't pay anything. You can hit the subscribe button. Just press that button. It is free of charge. You don't pay anything. Let us meet on the next video, you and I, as we'll be discussing further what is happening next. And I'm out.